Like 7 million in the house. Thank you so much po. As you can see po, the weather is really bad. And as you can see po, yan po yung Baguio Cubao na Genesis. 12 million palike na lang po ang ating live for update. I hope na naririnig naman ninyo ako. I thanks God. Nag-move din. Million, maraming salamat po sa mga nag-drop by. That is the this is the weather here now. At yan, marami tayong nadadaanan na mga vegetable thing. We are in Marcos Highway. And guys, naka-steady po tayo. Kaya traffic po. Ay, ito pala yun. Ito pala yun. Naging dahilan. Nako po, Roday. Grabing traffic. Nataon pa tayo talaga. Heavy rain is now hoisted. Solid north. Ayan po. Bakit kaya? Change to Lord Prayer. Nasa Marcos Highway po tayo. Maraming salamat po sa nanonood dyan. Revolution. Hindi po ang ating heavy rain po, heavy rain. Very foggy. Hindi pala very. Maraming salamat sa like, guys. Sorry for the hot. Nakakatakot lang po dito is yung landslide. Tingnan nyo po, ginagawan po ng mga dyan sa taas. Wow. Bangin.